Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to check if the information, question, warning and error sounds are working or not in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Beep Checker by the Hello World writer. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this Learn More. Now click on this pre-download. Just scroll down below. Now you can either download the latest version or the older version, whichever you want to download. And below you will see a tons of download option. You can download the installer or you can download the portable. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you can see the first file is the application. Just double click on it. Now you can see here the various options. So you can click on each one of these options to check if the respective sounds is playing or not. So let us click one by one. So this is the simple beep. So you can hear it. Let me click the second one too. Let us click this third one. Let's click on this. So under the question beep, you may not hear any sound. So this is by default. So don't worry. Let us click this warning beep. So you can hear it. Let us click on this error beep. And finally, let us click this play beep. So you can most probably hear all the sounds except the question beep. The question beep by default does not make any sound. So everything is fine in my case. So by using this cool application, you can easily check if the information, question, warning and error sounds are working or not in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.